All right, here we are in Florida. This is near Blackbird's Tavern, where I sometimes sing karaoke. And a little outdoor area. It's probably 75 degrees. We have a nice sunset going on right behind you. You want to get the sunset? Right there. That's enough. Nice slow pan, and a lot of water and boats and beer. All the bees are covered here, and big. No, we got a lot of things covered here. So let's have some food and beer.
That's Serena's next boyfriend's boat.
You could be home if you lived on a boat right now with some very cool names. Hey geese, I don't have any food, but I appreciate you coming by, saying hello. We have geese 1 and geese 2, I think. Are you geese or are you ducks? I can't really tell. They are going into the water, and their time here is done, I guess. So these guys must get fed a lot because they have no fear, and they are just kind of wandering around looking for a handout. So I don't have anything for you. Bye. Nice. Thank you for visiting. I've reached Fort Myers Beach. No, this isn't Fort Myers Beach. I'm here at another little, I guess a beach here in Florida. There's a few geese that think I have food. I don't have food for you geese, so I'm sorry. And nice sunset we got going on. I think it's a Tuesday, so it's a Tuesday sunset. Not that that's different than a Wednesday, but a little different than a Thursday. And I would say it's a beautiful evening, good temperature, very comfy, and I'm quite content to check it out once again in Florida in February. It is about, I don't know, sunset o'clock. Who needs time or days or dates when you're out here on vacation? And the sun, it's I already got some recordings of it. It's going down, but we've got a colorful sky, yellow and blue and probably other colors in there. And having some fun. Yeah, it's been a nice day. It's been a fun time. No more shows, so it's all vacation now. And having some beer and exploring. There's my friends up there. They're walking kind of slow, so I don't have to walk very fast to catch up. And yeah, I've had a fun time seeing the sunset. So you can't go wrong with sunsets in Florida. And there's awesome weather that I'm very comfortable and really enjoying the temperature. Not so much. We got a little bit of traffic coming up, some blondes, and yeah, I will be catching up soon and see what's next on the agenda. Ce soir. Cheers from Florida.